day 50 of trying to heal my son's cavity naturally, and I think, we are continually seeing positive results each week. So again, we didn't have any setbacks this week. It's just continual better. As you can see, the darkness is just gone. I think that's just the lighting there from being in his mouth. But when we go in and look, you can see very, very dark here at the beginning when we started. And then, 50 days in, it really seems cleaned out. And here you'll see, like from last week or from day 39 to day 50. And I guess our question and that what I'm wondering is, though, the hole is cleaning out, the darkness is going away, but is the hole going to close up? So he's supposed to have an appointment on January 2nd to have it filled. I changed it from December 15th to January 2nd, but I think I'm going to change it to a consultation and just show them what we have been doing and see what they have to say. So we'll continue to update you and see where it goes from here.